In this video, we go from idea to app. You're going to see how I build a functional Chrome extension using AI. I do it without writing a single line of code. We rely on AI to do the heavy work, and we just tell it what we want to achieve. Whether you're getting started with AI coding or you're just curious to see what AI is capable to do, you're in the right place, so let's get started. In this video, I show you my thinking process as I create this Chrome extension right here, where in a YouTube video, you can just click it, and it's going to provide the YouTube thumbnail. From here, you can either download it or copy it and paste it anywhere you want in the highest resolution. And of course, it works in any video that you want. So let's get started. In this case, I'm gonna improve a Chrome extension that already exists. We're replicating this extension called Thumbnail Preview. You just click on it and you get the thumbnail of the video. Let's say this one right here, I want to get the thumbnail. Let's say that we want to put it on Twitter, right? I would click in there, I would right click, copy image here, and I just want to paste this. There you go. Just as I did yesterday, the link and then an image. That is a common way to do it. This is just a very handy way to get thumbnails. Now, the biggest downside of this particular extension is that when you copy it, here just to show you the resolution, you'll see that, yeah, the quality is very low. It's very pixelated. So I do have an idea of how we can achieve this with a better method. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to open ChatGPT. So first, we're going to start with the idea. All right, so my idea for a Chrome extension is being able to get a high resolution image of the thumbnail of a particular YouTube video. Can you give me some simple, quick ideas of what is the easiest way to access the link of the YouTube thumbnail? Explain in simple terms without using code. YouTube stores thumbnails in a predictable place. If you take that video ID and put it in this link, then you'll get the high resolution image. I'm just gonna paste this text right here. So let's just break it down real quick. It essentially tells me to put the ID of the particular video in here. So we're just gonna go through it. As you can see here, we have the link. Tell me what's the ID for this video. The AI can do the thinking for us. So in my case, it's this. Let's try it out. I'm gonna copy that and I'm just gonna replace it for this. Perfect. That becomes a link. So let's click on it. There you go. So that is a high resolution image. And we compare it to the one that this other Chrome extension gave us. You can see that this is way higher quality and it doesn't have these annoying black bars at the top. Now the next part of the process is to write the code itself. So we're just gonna do it in here. We're gonna say, okay, it's working. Before you write any code, just give me a very short answer explaining what it is that I need to do to create this Chrome extension. Okay, it told me these are the simple steps. You want me to give the ready files? I'll say yes. Simple as that. Okay, so we started writing the code and here we already have what we need. Normally, we would paste these in what is called a text editor for coding, right? These are apps that you can use to organize your code. Now that's a little bit more advanced. Right now, I just want to keep things as simple as possible. So can you put all of these into one folder for me to download? Can you do that for me? Okay, it says you can download it here. It asks me where to download it. Great, so we have it saved. And it says open Chrome and go to Chrome extension. Turn on developer mode on the top right. Okay, so we're gonna go here. As you can see, it's toggled on. It says and select the unzipped folder. Right click, extract all. That sounds good. Extract. Load and pack, find and select the folder you unzipped. Let's do it. Load and pack. We're gonna select it, select folder, extension loaded, and here it is. And we're just gonna pin it so that it's easier to just have it right here, right? There you go. So we're gonna go to a YouTube video. Let's just try it out. As you can see, that opened the image in its full resolution. You can see it's not pixelated. It opened it in a separate tab, right? And what it did is essentially just grabbed the ID of the video and it created the correct link to give us the correct image right here. Now from here, we could right click copy image, but I do want to make it a little bit better. I don't really like the fact that it opens in a new tab. So I'm gonna keep working a little bit further on the Chrome extension and I'm gonna just customize it to be a little bit more user-friendly, a bit nicer. So I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna work on that and I'll show you what I come up with. Here you can see the screenshots I took as I continued to ask AI to modify the Chrome extension until I finally reached the look and feel that I was looking for. Okay, I'm done with the extension. First thing that I change is the icon from this to this. Just something simple, temporary for now. There you go. And now if I click on it, we have this nice panel opening with the nice blur in the background and everything, and it closes with a nice animation. It opens with a nice animation. And of course, it has the feature that I wanted all along, which is that of being able to copy the image so that I can easily paste it somewhere like Twitter in the original high quality resolution. So there you go. As you can see, totally achievable, totally doable to write a Chrome extension, any sort of app, without even needing to write a single line of code. Now, my goal with this particular video was really to inspire you to do the same. Now, a word of caution moving forward, there are some principles of AI coding that I really think you need to understand, otherwise you're gonna get frustrated. Now, I do encourage you to give it a go to see how it feels, to see what it's like to create your first app. But if you do want a little bit of help and you want to understand these principles as well as the ideal tools to be able to do this as efficiently as possible, saving you tons of time, then do check out the link in the description. I'm creating a course that will help you understand these principles and have the right tools and techniques to be able to get the best results without wasting any time. So if that sounds interesting to you, check it out, and I hope to see you there. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.